Hello kids, welcome to in English class. Today I will explain chapter 3, The Lost Laugh. This story is revolve on hyena, which is a wild animal who has lost his laugh, and which animals help hyena to find his laugh and where did they look. So now let's start class this chapter. One day hyena was very sad. He had lost his laugh. Class, why did hyena sad? Yes, because he had lost his laugh. हाइना दुखी इसलिए था क्योंकि उसकी हंसी कहीं खो गई थी. So hyena went to giraffe. Please help me find my laugh, giraffe, he said. So firstly hyena went to the giraffe. सबसे पहले वो जिराफ के पास पहुंचा और उसने जिराफ से कहा कि प्लीज फाइंड माई लाफ, मेरी हंसी कहीं खो गई है, उसे ढूंढो. Giraffe lifted her long neck and looked around the tree tops. I can't hear a laugh up here, hyena, she said. Do you know, class? Giraffe has long neck. So he pulled her neck and around the tree tops. उसने अपनी neck को pull किया और tree का जो ऊपर वाला part होता है सबसे top. What do we call this part? Tree tops. उसने अपनी गर्दन को घुमा के चारों तरफ देखा. Then after she said to hyena कि I could not hear your laugh. उसने कहा कि मुझे तुम्हारी हंसी यहाँ नहीं दिख रही है. Then hyena saw hippo swimming in the lake. Then after hyena ने किसको देखा? हिप्पो को. और what was hippo doing? Hippo was swimming in the lake. क्या कर रहा था लेक में? स्विमिंग कर रहा था. Please help me find my laugh, hippo, he said. So hyena said to hippo कि मेरी हेल्प करो, मेरी हंसी कहीं खो गई है. Hippo looked in the water. I can't hear a laugh down here, she said. Then hippo also said to hyena. उसने hyena से कहा कि मुझे भी तुम्हारी हंसी नहीं मिल रही है, मैंने पानी में देख लिया है. Hyena went to the elephant next. Please help me find my laugh, elephant, he said. Then hyena said to the elephant. उसने elephant से बोला कि मेरी हंसी कहीं खो गई है. Please find my laugh. Elephant flapped his big ears and listened carefully. I can't hear your laugh anywhere in the jungle, hyena. Now look this picture. In this picture, elephant has two big ears. So elephant flapped his ears. उसने अपनी ears को जोर से हिलाया, फड़फड़ाया. Then listen carefully. Where did hyena's laugh? कि कहाँ है hyena की laugh? Elephant also trying to listen his laugh, but elephant can't hear hyena's laugh. उसको भी उसकी हंसी जंगल में नहीं मिली. Then hyena went to monkey. किसके पास पहुंचा अब hyena? Monkey के पास. Please help me find my laugh, monkey, he said. Then hyena said to monkey कि मेरी हेल्प करो, मेरी हंसी कहीं खो गई है. How did you lose it, hyena? कि कैसे खो गई तुम्हारी हंसी? asked monkey. Swinging from a branch. When I laughed, everyone saw my big teeth. They got scared, said hyena. So they ran away. This made me sad, so my laugh disappeared. Hyena said to the monkey कि मैं जब जोर से हंसता हूँ तो मेरे बिग 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 टीथ बाहर आ जाते हैं और अदर एनिमल्स इनको देख के डर जाते हैं. इससे ही मेरी हंसी कहीं खो गई है. Then you are looking for it in the wrong places, said monkey. Then after monkey said to hyena कि you are looking your laugh in the wrong places, कि तुम अपनी हंसी को गलत जगह ढूंढ रही हो. He jumped down from the tree and picked up a feather. Then he began to tickle hyena all over. Then after monkey took a feather. उसने एक feather लेके आया, पंख, और क्या किया उसने? टिकल हाइना बॉडी. टिकल हाइनास बॉडी. उसने हाइना की बॉडी को टिकल किया, गुदगुदाया. स्लोली हाइना स्टार्टेड टू स्माइल. और उसको क्या करी? हाइना क्या करा? धीरे धीरे स्माइल करने लगा. देन ही लेट आउट अ बिग लाउड लाफ. और धीरे धीरे वो हंसना शुरू किया. ही लाफ्ड एंड लाफ्ड until he saw rolling around on the ground. All the other animals heard hyena's laugh. They came running. When hyena started laughing, they came running near hyena. Where did you find his laugh? They asked monkey. All the other animals asked to monkey, where did you find hyena's laugh? Because we also tried to find his laugh. But we could not find his laugh. कि हमने भी कोशिश करी थी but हमको तो हाइना की लाफ मिल ही नहीं थी. Then monkey said to other animals, his laugh was inside him all the time. कि इसकी हंसी कहाँ थी? हमेशा ही इसके अंदर थी. I just made him happy. कि मैंने तो इसको थोड़ा सा खुश किया. And it came out. और हंसी कहाँ गई? बाहर. The other animals were happy to hear this. ये सुनकर सभी एनिमल्स बड़े खुश हुए. So they laughed and laughed so that their teeth showed too. और वो इतने हंसे कि सबके टीथ दिखने लग गए. Then Hyena said to other animals, I will never lose my laugh again. Said Hyena happily. वो खुश होके बोला कि मैं कभी अपनी हंसी को नहीं खोऊंगा. So class, did you enjoy this story? Thank you.